Let us study here rule of mutual exclusion principle. What is called mutual exclusion principle? The rule of mutual exclusion is based on molecules, polyatomic molecules with the center of symmetry. Let us consider a polyatomic molecule with the center of symmetry CO2. CO2 is a polyatomic molecule with the center of symmetry I. Okay. So, if you see, there are four normal modes of vibrations. There are four normal modes of vibrations here. Symmetric stretching. It is very interesting to see. Symmetric stretching is IR inactive but Raman active. You see asymmetric stretching, IR active but Raman inactive. This is the deformation vibrations, the bending vibrations are IR active but Raman inactive. Based on this, the rule of mutual exclusion principle is stated. The Raman IR activities of carbon dioxide molecule is shown in this table. There are three vibrational modes, nu1, nu2, nu3. We have already seen in the previous slide. Nu1 is Raman active but infrared inactive. That is, if it is active means this is inactive. Nu2 Raman inactive but IR active. Nu3, nu4 bending modes, Raman inactive but IR active. So based on the Raman IR activities of centros CO2, the rule of mutual exclusion is defined. What is rule of mutual exclusion? For a centrosymmetric molecule, for a centrosymmetric polyatomic molecule, the Raman active modes are IR inactive and vice versa. Raman inactive or Raman IR active. Raman inactive or IR active, vice versa. Or it can also be defined for the Raman active vibrations are IR inactive, then the molecule has a center of symmetry. If the Raman active vibrations are IR inactive, then the molecule is centrosymmetric molecule. It is represented by I, center of symmetry. Suppose there is no center of symmetry in CO2 molecule, there is a center of symmetry. Let us consider a molecule, polyatomic molecule with no center of symmetry. If there is no center of symmetry, then some of the vibrations may be both Raman IR active. Here opposite, Raman active means IR inactive. Here some of the vibrations, not all of them, and some of the vibrations are both Raman active and IR active. So these two, for example, symmetric stretching vibration. The symmetric stretching vibration is obtained from Raman spectrum. Okay, whereas nu2 asymmetric stretching vibration is obtained only from IR infrared spectrum. So these two spectroscopic techniques are complementary in nature. They are complementary techniques. These two are complementary techniques. From studying IR, both IR and Raman, extremely valuable structural information is obtained. For example, whether the molecule is centrosymmetric or not. By studying, by comparing both IR and Raman spectra, the structural information of the molecules obtained. For example, CO2 molecule, it is linear because it is a linear molecule with the center of symmetry, because Raman active or IR inactive, therefore this molecule has a center of symmetry.